How to stay productive working from home. Hello, my name is Bill Morrow, and as you've landed on this video, the chances are you're looking for working from home, internet marketing, how to set up a business online, some of these things. You have come to exactly the right place. Perfect. Now, the whole routine about setting a business up online and making it work is the fact that you have to have a routine to stay productive. If you have a shop, you turn up, you open the door at a certain time, you go in, you stock it with goods, you get everything. Your customers come in because you are advertising by having a shop open. Now, similarly, if you're working online, you have the same procedure. You should open at a certain time. You should produce the goods. The fact that you are online doesn't mean that you can leave it for 2 weeks and then come back and look at it. You should be on there at a certain routine, a certain time, so that you can check on your system and you know that your system is set up and is working correctly. Because if it goes belly up, then who's to blame? You are. Not the customer, the people coming in. No, they don't know you exist. So you've got to tell them you exist. If you have a shop, they can see a shop. Now, if you're online, you're in there along with thousands and thousands of other people. So you must have your system set up so that people will be able to find you. You must advertise to the best of your ability. You have to advertise. And the other big thing about it is you have to be different. Everyone is on there now trying to make a living, trying to work from home and everything else. But you have to be different. And you have to learn the little tweaks, the little bits of information that make you different and make you stand out. And that's the big thing. But the first thing you have to do to be productive is to set a routine. Have a daily routine. When you start your business, when you get on and when you start working, you check things, you make sure everything is working and so forth. Then you see about, okay, let's test this, let's test that. And you do split testing. All this sort of thing is explained in the course. And the course itself tells you exactly how to do all this sort of thing so that you can get the best possible results from your efforts. And remember, it is effort that makes the results. If you just put it on and leave it there, nothing's going to happen. Nothing will happen. You have to be pushing it all the time, making new productions, making new ideas, finding out and say, oh, I didn't like that. You change it. Make the differences so that people come onto it and like what they see and they will take action. And that's exactly what you want. You can have the best thing in the world, but if it's not explained to people why it's the best thing in the world, then it's a dead duck. So here you have a perfect system which will allow you to set up and have a working business online on any subject you want. You set the subject and it's perfect. So to get more information about this business, what you got to do is click on the link in the description box below and I will send you an email and then you will get more information about it to see exactly how wonderful this system is. I've done the course, I've completed the course, I have my business set up, which is exactly what you want to do. So talk to you soon. Click the link. Don't hesitate. Talk soon.